So let us now calculate the variance of the Poisson random variable. We've already seen that the PMF of a Poisson random variable is given by this expression, and the mean was calculated to be lambda. Now let's calculate the second moment. So e to the x squared, this is equal to x is equal to 0 to infinity x squared e to the minus lambda to the x divided by x factorial. Now what we do, we take e to the minus lambda outside, and then we take x times lambda x over x minus 1 factorial, where we have absorbed 1x into the x factorial here, and the limit goes from 1 to infinity because we have x minus 1 factorial. Then again what we do, we say e to the minus lambda x is equal to 1 to infinity x times lambda x minus 1 times lambda divided by x minus 1 factorial. This lambda we can take outside, so we get lambda e to the minus lambda, and then here we can put y is equal to x minus 1. Okay, so then times y is equal to 0 to infinity y plus 1 lambda to the y over y factorial. Now this guy we can split it into two summations. So one summation is y is equal to 0 to infinity y lambda y over y factorial plus y is equal to 0 to infinity lambda y over y factorial. Okay, now what is, we can say lambda e to the minus y is equal to 0 to infinity y lambda y over y factorial plus lambda e to the minus lambda y is equal to 0 to infinity lambda y over y factorial. Now first summation with this part is what? Just this is equal to this to lambda. So lambda squared plus, and this is equal to what? This is just the sum of the probability distribution. So it is lambda times 1, which is lambda. So this is our second moment. Now variance is what? So variance is e to the x squared minus e to the x squared. So which is equal to lambda squared plus lambda minus, this is lambda, so lambda squared, this is equal to lambda. So the variance of a Poisson distribution is equal to lambda. Its mean is lambda, its variance is also lambda. So that is a very simple proof of just applying the definition of variance to find the variance of Poisson distribution. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.